Just like there are different kinds of cheeses, there are different strategies to help you get new clients through LinkedIn. I'm going to walk you through the easier one and the harder one. The harder one is posting consistently on LinkedIn. You write some good content, you post all the time, maybe you make some videos like this, you create some graphics or some images, you post stories about your life, and you hope that people then go into your profile, learn about you, and then send you a message or go to your website and think, wow, Ben is amazing, Ben can definitely help me, I want to work with Ben. On the other hand, you can just get profile views by viewing other people's profiles, and they get nosy. Because you see, on LinkedIn, we have this beautiful thing called the Who Viewed My Profile notification and section. So if you go to 100 people's profiles and you view them, those people get curious. Why did Ben visit my profile? So they click and they come to your profile. That's why you have to make your profile fantastic. You have to make a super clear header that has the benefit up top. Like when people go to my profile, they realize that they found the guy who can teach them about AI. Then they continue to scroll down. They can send me a message. They can find my email address. They can find my website. They can find other posts that I've posted lately. And they can find testimonials from other people who have worked with me. So you might be thinking, how can I view 100 people's profiles? Really simple. Go on your phone, type in 100 names, or go through your feed and click on those people. But you want targeted people. You want the people who could actually be your client. For example, I teach AI to insurance agents mostly. I'm not trying to go to plumbers and have them view my profile. It just doesn't help me. So what do? I go to the top of LinkedIn, I type in insurance broker, I hit search, I hit second degree connections, and now I have a list of people that I can go and view their profiles, and I hope that they view my profile back. And if I really want to, I can utilize various tools like HeyReach in order to actually make this process really simple on me. I set it up once as a campaign, then this tool will actually go and view those profiles on my behalf to then make hundreds of people nosy. They get excited because they see I viewed their profile and nobody's viewed their profile in 3 years. They come and view my profile. They realize that I can answer their AI questions, and then they send me a message. That's the basics of it. It can get much more complex, and if you want help with that strategy, let me know or book a time with me on bencanhelp.com, totally free. But I just want to share this as a fundamental insight into how you can get more LinkedIn views the easy way, delicious way I think, by just viewing other people's profiles who are your target audience. Comment your favorite type of cheese. And if you eat cheese sticks, how do you do it? Thanks.